Hello and welcome to Daddy's Share Space. So today I'm going to be unboxing the CSC SYS stand. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it over and let's open it up. Okay, so this is what you got on the inside here. Looks like we've got a bag of bolts and screws here with Loctite on them. Festool branded strap. We've got our directions. Let's see how this is all packaged in here. We've got this handle. Let's go ahead and open up strap. Let's open up our screws. Okay, taking a look at the stand here. It looks like the handle is going to go in here and it faces back away from the actual tabletop. Alright, I'm going to need an Allen wrench. So we have the stand together. Let's put it back up on here. Take a look at it. So it can just sit like this on the table and you can operate it here. So let's take the table saw and put it on there. And the table saw drops down into the hole or the circles that are on the stand. Let's see how this actually comes up. Okay, so you got that. So this is gonna be like your semi-outfeed. Let's take this rail and just set it up here just to see. Yeah, so you do have a little bit of a drop off on this side here, a slight one. Few mil, so it's not perfectly level across here. Now something that I noticed with this, based upon what I'm seeing here, so the saw is not actually going to be fixed here, so you're not going to be rolling this around with the saw in this configuration like I can do with my DeWalt. It's actually fixed to where I can lift it at the handle over here on my left and drag it around the room, leaving it set up like this. I'm gonna actually have to take this apart to get it set up. Let's lift this up. So if you take a look here, the saw basically is sitting in these holes here, or actually the closer ones here. And that's preventing it from going back and forth. And it looks like you can actually set it both ways. So if you wanted to, cut going this way, it's configured for that. But it also appears to be configured and I'm gonna face the saw towards you. Yep, it's configured as well to go perpendicular to the actual stand base. So like if you had a different type of outfeed that you wanted to run something longer other than just using this ledge, the saw fits in here both this way and this way. So that's something that I haven't seen presented as of yet. So that gives you a little bit of options there as far as using this stand. When we set it up here, take a look at the back side of it. All right, you've got these green latches here that you'll push in to put the legs down. And then you have the ones here to get it out. And then on this top foot here, you can see it right here, this foot actually has a leveling knob on it so that you can use it to stand out. Let's see how far it stands off the ground. There you go. So this foot here has a leveling feature so that you can level out your table wherever you are. So that's an option too. The wheels seem to be okay. They're plastic. The axle is enclosed in this metal piping here on the back. You've got this lever here that you move to actually put the base into position, and you can use this as a trolley as well. So that would be, you put it up like this, you fold the legs back up, and they've got these extra wing feet. And in this configuration, you can put your equipment here and stack it up and just tilt it back and use it as a regular dolly. So let's put the table saw in there and see how that goes. There are some indentations on the bottom of this foot to where the saw sits in. However, you're going to want to use this strap that's included. And that's going to fit through an opening here on the back. So right now I'm just sticking it forward through here, but I guess let's see if it'll go back the opposite way through there. Yeah, that works better. You just snug it down and you're good to go. And you're ready to tilt your equipment back and roll wherever you want to roll. And obviously you can stack more tools on top of here. And yeah, it's actually a heavier stand than I would have expected. But yeah, I'm happy that I went ahead and got the under frame, for one, to be able to transport more tools at once. Like if I'm going to go work outside, I can just stack whatever I need up on here and then roll it out. But number two, also having the ability to have a little stand for the table saw so that I don't have to just find any random surface to put it on. Anyways, thanks for taking time to check out this video, and I'll see you in my next one.